And then we also do have an add-on, which is Ad Spy. So Ad Spy, if you click on Ad Spy, what it will do at the product level, it'll identify the search terms that we've identified this ASIN being advertised under. Wow, there's even a Chinese one. And then you can see basically the estimated search volume for that keyword, and then you will see the win rates for these search terms that this ASIN has been identified at.
What is a win rate, Michael?
Win
Maybe.
rate, it just basically means that it's showing up.
Uh-huh.
So since there's that bid system, so basically imagine searching for mallet and
Uh-huh.
then seeing this guy in the sponsored section show up as one of the few that show up. That
Mm-hmm.
would be
Yes.
that's what that would be. So in this
Uh-huh.
case, the interesting thing is that this guy seems to have video ads. So we've identified him in video ads under mallet.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Small percentage, but that's what the data shows.